Hello, so I'm here to talk about Nero Global Tracking. Raz the Pichotto from 911 Restoration in Vancouver. I was in the search of a company that will allow me to track all my equipment, all my vehicles, all the behavior of my drivers at the same time. I was looking around, and then through Liat from the corporate office, I figured out that they're just literally 200 meters away from me. With their help and their team, we installed tracking system on all of our vehicles. So we currently have 5 vehicles we're tracking, and all of our pieces of equipment that includes air movers, air scrubbers, and dehumidifiers. That system allows us to see exactly where the equipment is. We know if we left the equipment for more than a week, or we can get notes if we left it for too long. We know how to charge. We can correlate, do the corresponding between the timesheets of our guys and where they are and where in a certain time and date. Basically, to remember 40 pieces of equipment in your head as a business owner is something that is close to impossible. That the usage of this system allows you to save a lot of money. I've noticed that I start losing. The reason I was looking for a system of that kind is that I noticed that I started losing pieces of equipment. Those pieces of equipment can cost $600 up to $4,000 each. So for literally a couple of hundreds a month, you can have a full tracking of everything. You can press the button on your PC. You can see exactly where the equipment is. It is reducing the amount of equipment you lose or forget on site, and brings you to the point of where you maximize the equipment that you have for the billing that you're doing with the insurance companies, because you know how to maneuver in those pieces of equipment better, because you know where they are at any given time.